بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
والمرسلات عرفا
By those winds sent forth in gusts,
فالعاصفات عصفا
and the winds that blow violently,
والناشرات نشرا
and by the winds that spread clouds,
فالفارقات فرقا
and those angels who bring criterion,
فالملقيات ذكرا
and those angels who deliver a message
عذرا أو نذرا
as justification or warning.
إنما توعدون لواقع
Indeed, what you are promised is to occur.
فإذا النجوم طمست
So when the stars are obliterated,
وإذا السماء فرجت
and when the heaven is opened,
وإذا الجبال نسفت
and when the mountains are blown away,
وإذا الرسل أقتت
and when the messenger's time has come,
لأي يوم أجلت
for what day was it postponed?
ليوم الفصل
For the day of judgment.
وما أدراك ما يوم الفصل
And what can make you know what is the day of judgment?
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
ألم نهلك الأولين
Did we not destroy the former peoples?
ثم نتبعهم الآخرين
Then we will follow them with the later ones.
كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين.
Thus do we deal with the criminals.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
ألم نخلقكم من ماء مهين
Did we not create you from a liquid disdained,
فجعلناه في قرار مكين
and we placed it in a firm lodging,
إلى قدر معلوم
for a known extent,
فقدرنا فنعم القادرون.
and we determined it, and excellent are we to determine.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
ألم نجعل الأرض كفاتا
Have we not made the earth a container,
أحياء وأمواتا
of the living and the dead,
وجعلنا فيها رواسي شامخات وأسقيناكم ماء فراتا
and we placed therein lofty, firmly set mountains, and have given you to drink sweet water.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
انطلقوا إلى ما كنتم به تكذبون.
They will be told, proceed to that which you used to deny.
انطلقوا إلى ظل ذي ثلاث شعب.
Proceed to a shadow of smoke having 3 columns,
لا ظليل ولا يغني من اللهب.
but having no cool shade and availing not against the flame.
إنها ترمي بشرر كالقصر.
Indeed, it throws sparks as huge as a fortress,
كأنه جمالة صفر.
as if they were yellowish black camels.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
هذا يوم لا ينطقون.
This is a day they will not speak,
ولا يؤذن لهم فيعتذرون.
nor will it be permitted for them to make an excuse.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
هذا يوم الفصل جمعناكم والأولين.
This is the day of judgment. We will have assembled you and the former peoples.
فإن كان لكم كيد فكيدون.
So if you have a plan, then plan against me.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون.
Indeed, the righteous will be among shades and springs,
وفواكه مما يشتهون.
and fruits from whatever they desire.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون.
Being told, eat and drink in satisfaction for what you used to do.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Indeed, we thus reward the doers of good.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
كلوا وتمتعوا قليلا إنكم مجرمون.
O disbelievers, eat and enjoy yourselves a little. Indeed, you are criminals.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
وإذا قيل لهم اركعوا لا يركعون.
And when it is said to them, bow in prayer, they do not bow.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers.
فبأي حديث بعده يؤمنون.
Then in what statement after the Quran will they believe?